What's up, YouTube? Back with a quick video. One of the subscribers had wanted to see how my steering mechanism works, so I figured let me do a quick video. So you can see that's the 5th axle and spindle there, and this is the steering mechanism on that. There you can see the axle. I'm going to go around the other side and underneath so you can see how it's set up. Hopefully you can see that. Again, there's the axle. And you can see the hub spindle there. It's not the best shot, but it's kind of the best I could do right now. You can see it there as it comes up through. There's little spider webs there in the way. Haven't used the barbecue in a minute. Let me know if you have any other questions.